In this video, we are going to replace the value in data frame using Regex and Pandas. In certain circumstances, we need to replace the value in the data frame. This could help you in pattern matching, parsing, filtering results, and so on. So let's get straight into the solution. Let's go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we want to replace the values in the data frame using Regex and Pandas. Hit Find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top results as it matches our query. So this requires Pandas Library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from Kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code. This line of the code is to import the Pandas libraries. This part of the code is to create mock data from dictionary of values, where keys are the column headers and values are the column values. This part of the code is for creating the data frame from the dictionary. Now let's run the code. And you have replaced the value in the data frame. You can find many more code snippets for your requirements on Kandi. The link to the Kandi is in the description. Thank you for watching this tutorial and follow us to get more tutorials.